Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Lord Have Mercy. If you're new, thank you so much for clicking and watching. And if you are a returner, what's good? So today's video is going to be the first of the series for makeup 101. So I'm going to be sharing the little I know on makeup, and I'm learning, we're still learning, but I'm the type of person that when I know information, I'd like to share or help others anywhere I can. First of all, you like my hair? So I'm gonna be going over like the things you need, and then subsequently we're gonna talk about like application, which is also important. So yeah, before I forget, if you're not subscribed yet, make sure you click the subscribe button below and hit the bell for notifications so you know when next I have another video, especially in this series, so you are consistent. Yeah, well, I hope I'll be consistent too with posting, so yeah. But yeah, let's move on to the video. Okay, so to begin or to start, I'm gonna be looking kind of to the side because I have my notes here, so yeah, gotta stay on task. But yeah, alright, so for today's video I'm gonna be going over the products and like materials you need. So the first thing you need is the brows. So brow pencil or brow powder or brow pomade. I have everything. Okay, so when I first started, I started with the Anastasia Brow Wiz, just like this. Has a spoolie at one end, and then the pencil the other. Oh, I still have stuff here. The one okay, on the other, and then no, actually I think I started with the powder. Yes, I started with the powder, and I also got it with the brush number 12 spoolie, and like this angled brush or applicator. And so it's the powder. I got it in the shade dark brown. So the brow duo, as you can tell, I'm hitting pan on this one, but I've had it for like give or take 3 years. 3, yeah. And then I moved on to the pencil, and I would switch in between the powder and the pencil. Powder if I wanted a more natural look, something light, and pencil for something more defined, or sometimes both. And then from this, and this might be a bit expensive for some people, I also have the CoverGirl pencil, but I didn't really like it because to me it seemed like it was plucking my hairs that I don't even have in the first place, that I'm trying to save and collect and gather. But yeah, so I got that. I kind of stopped using it, that's why it's still here. And then I moved on to the Benefit Precisely My Brow. This is the mini version, and I'm out of it, but I just stored it because there's like a little there, and I was using this for a while, and I tried using the elf one, but I did not really like it also, and I couldn't find my the correct shade for my brows because my brows are pretty, they're really light, and yeah, the shade that I found were like kind of dark or a little bit light or off in the undertone, so that did not work out. And then from there I got I was excited. I've been waiting for them to drop it, and they finally dropped it, so I got it, the Fenty Brow MVP. I only use this once in a while because it's not, I mean, it's a decent price range, but still not for, it's okay. It's just, it's okay. So I got that, And then of recent, or like in the middle of last year, I found out about the Morphe brow pencil, and I got it, and I have been loving it. It's cheap, $6 if I'm correct. Let me check real quick. Oh, actually it's $5. So yeah, this is definitely the cheapest, except for the e.l.f. one. But out of them all, for the quality, it is cheap. So yeah, that's it for the brows. You need either a brow powder, brow pencil, or a brow pomade. I would recommend the brow pencil because it's slim and you can control it easier. It's just gonna be like drawing on your face. So I would recommend the brow pencil. Just have to like carve and draw your brows well and have the correct shape, which will be something else we will talk about. So yeah, brow pencil, brows. So now I'm just gonna talk about defining and shaping your brows, or else you will be looking like a clown. And also remember, for brows, I feel like I haven't been looking at you guys, I'm sorry. Also remember, for brows, they are sisters, not twins. That's how they say it. Well, they can be twins, fraternal twins, but they cannot be identical twins. But yeah, okay, so now I'm gonna talk about defining, drawing out, and cleaning up your brows, and that would be it for this video.